Hello everyone, so this is our next topic on the degree of freedom. In the last lecture we discussed two or three basic different types of questions based upon degree of freedom. So today we are going to discuss three more questions based upon degree of freedom. So as I told you in the last lecture, we can find the degree of freedom by using the Kurzbach's criteria, which says that f is equals to 3 into L minus 1 minus 2j minus h. So this is the formula which we have been using, where f basically represents the degree of freedom, L represents the number of links we are having, j represents the number of joints or number of lower pairs we can say, h basically represents the number of higher pairs. So in this question, a question is given to us in which he is saying that PQ basically behaves like a fixed link. So the PQ basically is a single link only. So from this side to this side we are saying it is only one link. So in this question, if you have to find the value of degree of freedom, how many links we are having? This is going to be my fixed link, 1, 2, 3. All of them are fixed. No relative motion between them, so we can say they are behaving like a single link. So 1, second link, third link, fourth link, and this entire PQ behaves like one link, so it is 5. So how many links we are having? We are having total 5 links. So number of links are going to be 5. How many joints are there? If we have to find the value of number of joints, this is my first binary joint, my second binary joint, my third binary joint. Here, this is the fourth binary joint, fifth binary joint, and this is going to be my sixth binary joint. So how many joints we are having? 6. And higher pairs, there are no higher pairs, so it is 0. Now if I have to apply the formula and find the degree of freedom, but basically I am getting is that f is equals to 3 into L minus 1. L is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4, minus 2 into j, that is 6, minus h. So we are getting degree of freedom equals to 0. So it is 12 minus 12. But if we see this diagram, we can say that it is not 0, because if I give motion to second link, it will provide the relative motion to the third link also and to the fourth link also. So from the formula it is saying the value of degree of freedom is 0, but actually if we see this diagram, the value of degree of freedom is 1. It means Kurzbach criteria basically fails. The reason for that is कि Kurzbach criteria में हम लोग ज्योमेट्री या फिर डायमेंशंस को काउंट नहीं करते हैं. इट इज जस्ट एन एम्पिरिकल फार्मूला जिसमें हम जॉइंट्स को, हायर पेयर्स को, लोअर पेयर को देख रहे हैं, लिंक्स को देख रहे हैं, बट उसकी क्या ज्योमेट्री है, क्या लेंथ है, उसको हम काउंट नहीं कर रहे हैं. सो दैट इज द मेन लिमिटेशन ऑफ Kurzbach's क्राइटेरिया. सो इन दिस इक्वेशन इफ आई हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम, सो डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम बेसिकली कैन बी फाउंड by removing the redundant link. So as we are saying that this diagram is not having 0 degree of freedom. It is having some degree of freedom because relative motion is possible. It is not behaving like a structure. So in this case, अगर आप link 2 को motion देते हो, it will be mapped to link 3 as well as link 4. It means अगर मैं यहाँ से link 3 को remove भी कर देता हूँ, even then the mechanism will remain the same. I will give it to 2, it will give it to 4. Clear? If I remove the link 4 also, even then 2 and 3 can work properly. It means link को remove करने के बाद आपका जो mechanism है वो affect नहीं हो रहा है. There is no extra restriction. So अगर आप यहाँ से 3 link को remove कर देते हो, even then it is working as a mechanism. So all the 3 links are parallel to each other. तो अगर मैं यहाँ से 3 को remove करता हूँ, after that how many links are there? So obviously अगर आपने एक link को remove कर दिया है, clear? तो कितने लिंक बचे? पहले 4 थे, पहले 5 थे, अभी वो 4 आ जाएंगे. एंड हाउ मेनी जॉइंट्स? इफ यू सी द जॉइंट्स, आपके 2 जॉइंट्स कम हो जाएंगे, यहाँ वाला और यहाँ वाला. इनिशियली वी यूज्ड टू हैव हाउ मेनी जॉइंट्स? 6. अब कितने बचे हैं? 4 ओनली. सो इफ यू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम, वो कितना आएगा? इट इज गोइंग टू बी 3 into L minus 1. L is 4 minus 1, that is 3, minus 2 into J, that is 4, minus higher pairs 0. So basically it is 9 minus 8, that comes out to be 1. So in this question we are having a degree of freedom is 1, but अगर आप फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हो Kurzbach क्राइटेरिया तो आपको वहां से जो आंसर मिलेगा वो 0 मिलेगा, which is not true. Clear? This is the first case. Now this is the second case in which I have to find the value of degree of freedom. So before that, I have to find the value of number of links we are having. So how many links are there? This is my first link, this shaded portion. So जहाँ भी आपके पास जो portion shaded है, it will behave like one link only because उसमें आपस में relative motion possible नहीं है. Clear? So this is first link, this is second link, my third link, my fourth link, my fifth link. So how many links are I having? 5 links. How many joints are there? Joints में first joint, second joint, third one, fourth, fifth and sixth. Clear? So how many joints we are having? We are having 6 joints. Clear? And there are no higher pairs, so h is equals to 0. Now if I have to apply the formula, f is equals to 3 into L minus 1, that is 5 minus 1, minus 2 into j, that is 6, minus higher pairs 0. So what is the answer? Basically f will be equal to 12 minus 12, it is 0. Clear? तो जब भी आपका f 0 आता है, it means this basically behaves like a, this is example of structure only. Structure or frame we can say, we can call it a structure, we can call it a frame, or we can call it a logged chain. It means there is no relative motion possible between the links of the mechanism. तो इस mechanism में आपके पास relative motion है between the links, वो possible नहीं है. So it is behaving like a structure or a frame, and degree of freedom is always 0. In the next case, if I see, I have to find the value of degree of freedom. So before that, I have to find the value of degree of links we are having. तो जब भी आपके पास इस तरह का सर्कल हो, तो उसमें से आपकी जो लाइन है वो कंटिन्यूस फ्लो करे. इट मींस वो पूरी की पूरी जो लेंथ है वो क्या है? एक सिंगल लिंक है. क्लियर? अगर मैं उसको इस तरह से ड्रॉ करूं तो दोनों अलग अलग लिंक है जो हमें जोड़ रहे हैं. बट अगर इस तरह की लाइन है जो उसके सेंटर से पास कर रही है कंटिन्यूसली, इट मींस इट इज ओनली अ सिंगल लिंक. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी माय फर्स्ट लिंक, फिक्स्ड वन. दिस एंटायर थिंग इज बिहेविंग लाइक वन लिंक ओनली. So this is also link 1 only. So this is my link 1. This entire length from this point up to this point is behaving like link 2. This is my link number 3 and this is my link number 4. Clear? So how many links are there? We are having 4 links. Now we have to find the value of number of joints. So how many joints are there? Clear? So joints में, this is my first binary joint. This is my second binary joint. My third binary joint, this is the fourth one, this is the fifth one. Clear? So how many joints are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are having 5 binary joints or lower pairs we can say. So in this equation, if I have to apply the formula of degree of freedom, because there are no higher pairs, the value of h will be equals to 0. So it basically comes out to be 3 into L minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, minus 2 into j minus h, that is 0. So f basically will be equal to 9 minus, this is 5 basically, number of joints, it is 2j, so it is 10. This basically comes out to be minus 1. तो जब भी आपकी डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम माइनस पे आती है, इट मींस इट इज गोइंग टू बी केस ऑफ सुपर स्ट्रक्चर. सुपर स्ट्रक्चर. एक स्पेशल केस है. तो जब भी आपको क्वेश्चन गिवन हो स्ट्रक्चर का और सुपर स्ट्रक्चर का, इन दोनों में सिमिलरिटी यही है कि इन दोनों में आपके पास रिलेटिव मोशन नहीं होगा. दे आर जस्ट बेसिकली यूज्ड टू ट्रांसफर द फोर्स. क्लियर? दे कैन नॉट ट्रांसफर द मोशन. एट द सेम टाइम अगर आपके पास कोई सुपर स्ट्रक्चर है, सुपर स्ट्रक्चर की जो फोर्स को रेजिस्ट करने की या फोर्स को ट्रांसफर करने की कैपेसिटी रहेगी, दैट इज मोर एज कंपेयर टू अ सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर. क्लियर? तो अगर डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम आपका 0 है तो वो स्ट्रक्चर है, नॉन रिलेटिव मोशन पॉसिबल, जस्ट दे आर टू कैरी ट्रांसफर द फोर्सेस. सुपर स्ट्रक्चर आपकी डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम माइनस में आएगा. ये हम कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? बेसिकली जहाँ पे आपके पास बहुत ज्यादा फोर्स है जिसको आपने रेजिस्ट करना है, तो आपकी इसकी जो फोर्स ट्रांसफरिंग कैपेसिटी है, वी कैन से फोर्स रेजिस्टिंग कैपेसिटी है, वो क्या है? ज्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर. जितने भी आपके ब्रिजेस बनते हैं, क्लियर, आपकी जो बिल्डिंग्स होती हैं बहुत बड़ी बड़ी, दे बेसिकली बिहेव्स लाइक अ सुपर स्ट्रक्चर ओनली. क्लियर? उसमें से अगर आप किसी लिंक को रिमूव भी कर दोगे, इवन देन दे विल स्टैंड एंड दे विल do the mechanism for which they are meant for. So that is all about the different cases of degree of freedom. Please subscribe my channel, that is Magna Receptor. Thank you very much.